To fix the E09 error in a Hoover washing machine, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The E09 error indicates a problem with the printed circuit board, specifically a short circuit in the motor triac, a crucial component that controls the motor's speed. A short circuit, often caused by a power surge, will prevent the motor from functioning properly. To resolve this issue, start by switching off the washing machine and unplugging it from the power source, ensuring both the machine and water are cold to minimize burn risks. Next, inspect the connections and wiring to the control board, replacing any damaged cables and tightening loose ones. If burn marks are visible on the control board, it likely indicates a short circuit, usually resulting from a power surge. In cases where the control board has failed, it's necessary to have a technician replace it. By following these steps, the E09 error can be effectively addressed, restoring the washing machine to proper functioning.